This is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS Tribute to Carrera RS Edition, one of just 150 in the world. And then this is the box for the GT3 RS Tribute to Carrera RS Edition, one of just 150 for the world that we'll be unboxing today. But first, we should talk about what makes the car so special, and then we'll open the box. As the name implies, the Tribute to Carrera RS package is a nod to the 1973 Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, with the GT3 RS considered a spiritual modern successor. The package was limited to just 150 cars for the US market only on 2023 and 2024 model year 992 GT3 RS cars, hence the flag next to the RS badge, each of which comes finished exclusively in white with Python green accents. It's also important to note that the package was not cheap, with the GT3 RS itself starting around $223,800, but the optional Tribute to RS package brought the total to around $312,000, while including the $33,520 weissach package, optional extras as standard, and exclusive manufacturer elements not found anywhere else. The exterior is physically unchanged compared to any other weissach GT3 RS and comes equipped with Python green paint on the magnesium wheels, mirror caps, and graphics. However, the interior comes equipped with special illuminated door sill guards, deviated stitching in green throughout the entire interior, embossed center console lid, and specially painted white keys with Python green stripes. Power is provided from the standard race-derived, naturally aspirated 4-liter flat 6, rated for 518 horsepower and 342 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 7-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic transmission driving the rear wheels, which, according to Porsche, achieves 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds with a top speed of 184 miles per hour. But of course, the track is where this car shines. So now that we've covered the car, let's talk about the box. With every purchase of a Tribute to Carrera RS Edition came this box, and the box was filled with a variety of cool accessories, all of which were exclusive or bespoke to this special edition. Now, as it came, you had this absolutely massive cardboard box. You've got the Porsche logo up top here, you even have the American flag and the RS logo on the side, and even these super helpful handles on either side that make it a lot easier to carry. And boy, did they do a great job with this, because as soon as you opened it, everything is held together with magnets. It clips open like so, revealing the prototype drawings for the car that you have up top here with some of the noted drawings for changes they were going to make to the car. And then down below here, we even have this nice Tribute to Carrera RS logo that you see down below. So right away, it's already incredibly cool and feels incredibly special for all the money that you were spending on this car. But of course, we need to check out what this actually came with. So to do so, go ahead and turn this sideways and we can take a look at these drawers. So it essentially opens up to these two different drawers. We'll go ahead and start with the top here. Pull this guy out. It removes itself completely like so. And now we can unbox it. As you can see here, this has the same style handle, and you can go ahead and open this up with magnets the same way. So in this top box came with a variety of cool things that you could leave in various aspects when you weren't driving your car. So let's say desk ornamental items, things of that nature. So right away, one of the first things you'll note that's pretty straightforward is it came with these nice little tire valves that you can see that actually have green RS branding on them, so you could put them on your Tribute to Carrera RS Edition. But it also came with this, which is kind of a nice touch. Now, obviously, as we mentioned earlier, the whole idea of the Tribute to Carrera RS was that it was a nod to the original car from 1973. And so when you take a look at these two cars here, these are 1/43 scale die-cast cars, and you have one of the original Carrera RS 2.7 next to the brand new GT3 RS Tribute to Carrera RS Edition, and you have more of the colors and all of the tie-ins, which is a very cool thing to look. So the idea being that you could display this in your office, at your house, etc., something where you could appreciate the ownership of your product. I mean, even the box has these cool stripes and all that stuff, which is incredibly unique to look at, let's say, that comes included with all 150 of these cars. The other cool part was the keys. Now this is what the keys normally look like. As you can see here, they come with finished in white there with our Python green accent stripes on the side. But if you take a look in the box here, it actually comes with some extra substitutes. So if you didn't like the way these look, you could substitute it for either an all white paint match key or an all Python green match key, which you see here on the side. Now here in the middle, you're probably wondering what this big black box is. Well, let me show you as I get it out of the foam here. there goes the lid, Porsche design. And then we can kind of start unwrapping what all actually comes included in this box as I try to pull it out. And now you can see what comes included here. So as we open all of this up here, to reveal something pretty interesting. What you're looking at here is a Porsche design chronograph that is made exclusively for the Tribute to Carrera RS edition. And so the cool part about a lot of this stuff is that it comes with this nice beautiful watch that has the Porsche design logos, it's full carbon fiber, and then you have even the special plaque here for the actual chronograph as well, mentioning that this watch and all of this stuff is actually exclusive to it. It even comes with things like extra straps and just other cool materials. So this is another item that you could wear while driving it, while not driving the car even, that even has cool things like the python green stitching in the watch itself. All of this is really just embracing how cool the watch is. So even if you're not driving your special edition 911, you can still appreciate the specialness, whether that's by wearing it on your wrist, displaying it in the office, etc. So that's kind of all of the cool stuff that we found here in our first drawer. But with that, we'll put this back together here and we can take a look at what all is going on in the next drawer. Put that back there, and we'll go ahead, move this off to the side, and now we can go ahead and access the second drawer. The second drawer is much more straightforward because it opens the same way as you can see with our handle and everything on the inside, but then what it comes with is much more obvious. The first part is this. It comes with these license plate frames, and as you can see, they have the carbon fiber design here, and there are actually the real carbon fiber as you take a look at it, which is super cool to look at. But then they also have the Tribute to Carrera RS edition on there. And now this is another cool thing that obviously you need to put on your car, and it comes with two of them because here in the United States, some states require two plates, and so you have two different Tribute to Carrera RS plates here, so you can put one on the front and one on the rear. And even here in the original packaging, it notes that this is carbon fiber composite that this thing is made of, coming with all of the correct mounting hardware, which again is just incredibly cool to look at, right? In terms of just fully embracing the special edition nature of this car. But that's not all, because we have another item here. If you take a look, we have this nice little cover, and then even the Porsche crest, because underneath of that is a car cover. And this is not just a generic car cover, because for one, it comes with this special bag that you can hold it in if you want to keep it in the front of the car, for example. A GT3 RS indoor cover that even has the python green colors here on the exterior of the bag, which is super cool to look at. But then the cover itself is also super cool, because as you can see, it's kind of a low-res version, if you will, of the car itself. So while you have the car protected inside your garage to sort of keep dust and things like that off of the car to protect it while it's not being driven, this is a really cool way to present it, right? So you immediately know what the car is even while the car cover is on. And so it's just another extra detail, let's say, that makes the car feel more special, especially when compared to other products. So in terms of spending the money, you get not just what is an exclusive car that comes with a variety of exclusive finishing in what is, in let's say layman's terms, a fully loaded GT3 RS with weissach package and a ton of other cool cosmetics, but it also came with all of these super cool exclusive items. These are the type of things that you hope never gets separated from the car, right? In this case, they're just a lot of really cool items that kind of embrace the overall special nature of the car, and in this case, it really makes for a unique owner experience, right? Because you get to take a little piece of the car with you wherever you go. I especially like all the attention to detail here, and I hope that Porsche does more things like this in the future, because these boxes are what make me really excited, whether that be even things like the Demon Crate to things like the 4GT carbon fiber unboxing, which I've made videos on if you want to check those out, all of which is just super cool to see in person, especially with how they make you feel passionate for these super cool cars, not to mention that you still get the car as part of that buying experience. So with that, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed getting to take a look at the box that comes with the GT3 RS Tribute to Carrera RS Edition. This is a pretty cool thing that I figured I would share to kind of check out some of the exclusiveness and specialness that this car is. So with that, if you enjoyed the video and could leave me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video and of course the box itself. And of course, don't forget to get subscribed so you don't miss out on future videos. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.